Everyone, in today's video we will fix the Frigidaire dishwasher lower spray arm melting, heat issue, rack fix and replace guide. The fix 1, you can replace the melted spray arm. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it. Pull out the lower rack. Twist and remove the damaged lower spray arm and install the new spray arm in the same position. Then turn it by hand to make sure it spins freely. Fix 2, you can check the heating element. Remove the lower rack, look at the heating coil at the bottom, make sure it's not bent upward, and if bent, gently push it back into the place. If damaged, place the heating element. Fix 3, don't overload the bottom rack. Arrange plate upright, then keep large planes away from the spray arm. After that, spin the spray arm by hand before starting and make sure nothing touch it. The fix 4, you can clean the spray arm holes. Remove the lower spray arm, rinse it under water. After that, use a toothpick to clean the clogged holes and reinstall and test the spin in it. Okay, so these are the steps that can help you to fix. Goodbye.